Hi, students. Today we're going to be talking about finding reliable resources when you're researching. When you're looking for information on a research topic, you can't assume that every source of information you find is going to be correct, truthful, or reliable. So today we're going to talk about how will you know if a source is a reliable piece of information? And do all sites have correct and helpful information? To begin with, I have 5 resources for you here in green boxes to learn about reliable sources. I want you to pick one or more of those green resources to explore on your own. There are 2 videos, a Brain Pop video and a Teaching Without Frills video, which will explain what reliable sources are. There's also a flow chart that you can follow, a simple step-by-step question and answer to decide whether a site you're looking at has reliable information. And there's a poster, the 5 W's of website evaluation, that can help you decide whether a site you're looking at has reliable information. And finally, there's a questionnaire with several questions that you can walk through and answer to decide whether a site you're looking at has helpful and reliable information. After you explore one or more of those green boxes learning about reliable sources, I want you to pick one of the blue articles about pumpkins. You can pick the one that looks most interesting to you, or you can explore all 3. After you explore one of the articles, I want you to use the information you just learned about reliable sources and decide, is the article that you just read a reliable source? What clues do you see in the article or on the site that leads you to believe that it is a reliable source or is not a reliable source? Come back to the Padlet and use the star feature to show me how reliable of a source you think this is. 1 star would be not reliable at all, and 5 stars would be the most reliable. Then, in the comment section, I want you to explain to me what clues you see or what's leading you to believe that this site is a reliable source of information or not. It's up to you to decide. And then the last step, I want you to use one of the search engines in the yellow boxes to find a reliable source of information about pumpkins. Make sure that you're using the information that you've learned today to be sure that the site you find is a reliable source of information. Once you find it, go ahead and add it to the Padlet by clicking the plus button and dropping the link in.